Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can remove the background of any photo using Canva. This is actually very helpful when it comes to like creating stuff like thumbnail. Like as you can see in these photos I'm showing right now, you can see that I actually inserted myself and a lot of icons into this thumbnail, and I did that using Canva. So all I had to do was just put my photo and put all the icons on the thumbnail, and then I use Canva to remove the background, making it fit. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, to remove any background from your images, all you have to do, just open the Canva app. Once you've done that, then you have to choose your photo that you want to remove the background. So let me say I want to remove the background for this photo right here. So all you have to do, click on use a new design. It's going to load up a bit. Once it's done loading up, you're going to have to tap on the image. So once you've tapped on the image, you see this magic studio. Just click on it. Once you click on that, you see BG remover. So just tap on it, and that's it. It's going to remove the background of that image. So it's actually very simple. Apart from using this to remove the background of your personal photos, you can also use it to remove the background of any other photo. So let me say this photo for example now. Let's open it. Then we'll use it in new design. So you see that you can use this app to remove the background of pretty much anything. So let's tap on it and then do the same thing. We'll go to Magic Studio and then just click on BG remover. Once you click on that, it's going to remove the background. So this can actually work on pretty much anything, from your photos to icons to other photos, inanimate objects. So you can use it to remove background for pretty much everything, and it's super easy. Lastly, I want to show you guys on how you can actually use this to insert yourself inside the thumbnail. So first of all, you can see right here that I already have my photo in here, but if you check the photo, you see that there's a background on the photo. So what we are going to do right now is remove that background on this photo. So this is how you can actually insert yourself into any thumbnail. So now that I've removed the background, all I have to do is just position myself on this thumbnail, and as you can see, this is how you can actually put yourself into any thumbnail to post for YouTube. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please, if you're having issues creating subscribe animation, you can watch this video to learn on how to do that right now. And also, please smash that subscribe button to stay connected to this channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also, at the end of this video, you're going to see some similar videos and some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.